My name is Nicholas Fletcher Holmes from Hobson & Holmes in the UK, and I'm here today with my gorgeous client Alicia. We're going to take her hair from flat to fabulous using the new Kerasilk styling range. We're using volumizing styling foam and volumizing spray. For maximum volume results, I like to use volumizing shampoo and volumizing foam conditioner. When creating volume in the hair, I love to use the volumizing spray as a detangler and then finish off with a volumizing styling foam to create the volume that I'm looking for. When adding volume to hair, I like to remove the nozzle from my dryer as it allows the brushes to heat up more evenly. When creating volume, I like to set my blow dry using curl clips and then apply a light mist of multi-purpose hairspray. Thanks for watching my video. Be sure to check out more inspiring content on the Kerasilk official YouTube channel.